In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a transaction in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful when a single bank charge or deposit actually needs to be recorded in more than one category or split between different customers, projects, or accounts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to handle those mixed transactions so your books stay accurate and easy to understand. First, start by going to your bank transactions. In QuickBooks Online, this is usually under the Banking or Transactions menu. Once you're there, choose the specific bank or credit card account you want to work with. This is important because you want to be sure you're splitting the transaction in the correct account, especially if you have multiple business cards or bank accounts connected. Next, look through the list and find the transaction you want to split. This might be a payment that covered several expense categories, or a deposit that includes different income sources. When you see the one you need, click on it to expand the details. Expanding it lets you see more information and gives you access to the options you'll need. Once the transaction is expanded, look for the option labeled Split. Go ahead and click that. This opens the split window, which is where all the magic happens. Think of this window as a detailed breakdown of how you want to distribute that one transaction across multiple categories or accounts. Inside the split window, you'll see new lines you can use to allocate the amount. On each line, choose the appropriate category or account, and if needed, assign a customer, project, or class. Then enter the amount or percentage that should go to each line. You can keep adding lines until you've covered all the pieces of that transaction. As you're doing this, pay close attention to the total at the bottom. The combined total of all the split lines must equal the original transaction amount. If it doesn't, QuickBooks will flag it, and you won't be able to move on. A helpful tip here is to double-check your math and make sure you haven't accidentally left a small remainder unassigned. When everything looks correct and the totals match, you're ready to save. Click Save, or options like Apply and Accept, or Save and Add, depending on what you see in your version. After you save, that single bank transaction will now be properly split and categorized, giving you more accurate reports and a much clearer picture of your finances.